Hey guys, bienvenue, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing some honey sweet chili shrimp. And for this recipe, here I have colossal shrimp. I have one bag, which is like 1.5 pounds. I have my green seasoning. In here I have seafood seasoning, salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. And back here I have some cornstarch. There's different ways that you can do this. You can make a wet batter using egg, or some people use beer. It's up to you, but I rather when I do it dry. So we're gonna go right ahead with our recipe. So first I'm going in with my green seasoning. That's to add that Caribbean flair. Next, my seasoning blend. Mix together. Now it is all seasoned, and next I'm gonna go in with my cornstarch. Just mix. So the pieces of shrimp are all coated with the cornstarch, and we're gonna go over to the stove. So now I have about 4 to 5 cups of oil that I'm going to be frying these in. Do not overcrowd your pot because you're going to bring down the temperature of your oil and you're going to end up with steamed shrimp and not fried shrimp. And I had these fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side because I am going to put it in that sweet chili sauce and it is going to cook some more. So even if it's not fully cooked, that is fine. And now I'll be removing them. And I'll be placing it on a plate that is lined with paper towels to soak up all that oil. So I like to clean up my oil after each batch. And what you're seeing on the surface is just from the cornstarch that I put in from the previous set that was in. So I like to remove that because when I put the new batch in and you don't clean it out, it's going to get that type of stuff on it. And I don't want that. And you don't want that either. So please clean your oil out after every batch. And now we are going to start on that honey sweet chili sauce. And I have 1 teaspoon of olive oil in there. And I just put in a tablespoon of sesame oil. And next we're going in with our chopped garlic and some green onion. I'm going to have this saute for about 2 minutes. And now I'm going in with my sweet chili sauce. Now this is the brand of sweet chili sauce that I am using. And initially I poured in about 1/2 cup. I did add some more later, more towards the end of cooking. And here I have my honey. Now you do not have to add honey to this recipe because it is already sweet. Just mixing everything together, that honey and the sauce. And next we're going to start going in with our shrimp. And we're going to make sure that every piece of shrimp is coated in that sweet chili sauce. Now, like I said, I did add some more of that sweet chili sauce to there. And I also added a little bit more of paprika to add some color to my dish. My honey sweet chili shrimp is all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And do remember to have a good day on purpose. Bye.